ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more.
Oh God, DC.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm doing Cornish hen and some rice and chicken pasta for tonight for dinner. So first thing you want to do is you want to damp your chicken dry as possible so that your skin can be nice and crispy once it comes out the oven, the air fryer, whatever you're doing, however you're cooking it. You want to make sure it is nice and dry as possible.
Oh God, DC.
So as you can see here, I'm gonna go in with some Sazon Goya seasoning. I'm gonna season that very well. I'm gonna rub that in. Make sure you rub it in very good because you want your chicken to be good, obviously. So make sure you rub it in good, get both sides. You get everything.
Oh God, DC.
For my second seasoning here, we're gonna use some ground cumin. I love cumin on my chicken. It gives it a nice little spark, gives it a nice little, little spice, little jazz. So yeah, I'm gonna put that everywhere. I'm gonna put that in the cavity. I'm gonna put that everywhere. for my third seasoning, you guys, we're going to go in with a little bit of paprika. I'm not going to put too much paprika, just a couple splashes on the front and then a couple splashes on the back. I'm going to make sure you rub your seasoning in very good. And I'm going to put some in the cavity. And yes, my nails are clean. It's not that long, but yes, my nails are clean. I did wash my hands, all that jazz, before I started. Now I'm gonna go in with Weber beer can chicken seasoning.
Oh God, DC. Oh God, DC.
After that, I'm gonna hit my chicken with some sweet smoky barbecue rub. Okay, and lastly, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of red pepper flakes. I don't want my chicken too spicy, even though I do like spicy food, but I don't want to make it too spicy because we did go in with ground cumin. That's gonna add some spice, and now we're going in with red pepper flakes. And then when you finally eat your chicken, you know, you're gonna add some hot sauce. So you don't want it too spicy, you just want to add a nice spice flavor. That's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna put that everywhere. You know, same thing we did with the other seasoning. Make sure we get everywhere before we put that baby in the oven.
Oh God, DC.
Now that we done seasoning, I'm gonna give you guys a nice close-up shot how well I seasoned that. Got it everywhere, got that seasoning right everywhere. Also, you don't have to use these kind of seasonings. If you don't want to, you can use seasoning of your choice. Obviously, this is just my recipe for my chicken, how I like to season my chicken.
Oh God, DC.
So now it's time to put it in the oven so it can cook. So I'm gonna put that on 385 and I'm gonna put it on a timer for 45 minutes. All right, so what we doing here is I'm just gonna spray it with some olive oil, just what I did in the beginning. I sprayed my chicken down with some olive oil. I'm gonna lay it down and let that cook for 45 minutes. And all right, so right here we are halfway done cooking. This is how it looks so far. Everything looks good, everything is seasoned well. The skin looks good. Everything looks good and it's juicy. Alright, now I'm not making my pasta from scratch. You guys are gonna see me make pasta from scratch, but tonight I wanted something quick, so I'm not gonna make my pasta from scratch. I'm gonna bring 2 cups of water to a boil. This is the pasta I'm going to be using tonight. It cooks in 7 minutes. So now that the chicken is done and it is out of the oven, this is how it looks. Seasoned very well. The cavity looks good. Everything looks good. Nice, juicy, tender, everything.
Oh God, easy.
So now that our water is nicely boiled, we're going to add that pasta in and let it cook for 7 minutes, like I stated earlier. And then after that, I'm going to let it stand for at least 5 minutes to, get thick, and everything. Alright, so once it's done, you want to make sure you stir it and everything. You want to make sure you have a good thick consistency. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you want to try to season it that way, be free to do so. But you do not have to follow this recipe. This is just how I season my chicken for tonight. And this is the final product. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back doing more cooking videos. Bye!
If you got it, it ain't no question.